Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video today, Sunday morning here in Miami. The week ended on Friday, and it's a weekly recap video, but it's a little different because I don't have any trades to show. Why? Because I had some last week, and I had some domestic issues that need to be taken care of, and I just didn't trade at all the whole week, running around here there. So hopefully things will be better this week. So anyway, so I just want to show you what I said and what happened, just for the record. So this is the chart. This is a chart of Aussie weekly chart, Aussie dollar. I made this on the 26th October. Just wanted to show you what happened to this chart. So far, this is the one that my target was. It's going to bounce from here and go up here. And so far, this is what happens. So on a weekly chart, this is small. It looks a very small move, but it has a very big effect on pairs. For example, I'm not going to show too many pairs, but I'm just going to show one pair, because this Aussie dollar, when this index is going to the upside, Aussie dollar is getting strong, and wherever Aussie dollar is on the left hand side, those pair will go up, like USD, Aussie USD, Aussie USD, Aussie yen. Okay. And the pairs where the Aussie dollar is on the right hand side, they will go down. For example, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, stuff like that, right? So I'm just going to show you one of the pair that, like Aussie yen, for example. What happened after I made this chart on? Let me see. The first chart that I made it before chart is October 26th. Look what happened in Aussie yen since then. This is the line here. This yellow line is October 26th. Okay, long entry, long, all the way to the upside. 82, 81 is a big number, and we all reached there already. And you can go and take a look at all the other Aussie pairs. For example, Aussie USD went up, and let me show you Pound Aussie. I didn't make the chart, but see, this is a Pound Aussie 20-minute chart, and October 26th. This is November 7th actually. November. Let me just go on a 40-minute chart, and you can see October 26 was kind of right here. Okay, so right here you had a beautiful entry here, short, and then short, and then because of pound strength, it went up and then start coming down again. But all in all, it's coming down because of Aussie strength. So this is what happened to Aussie strength, and but what happened to? Let me show you my Twitter here. My Twitter account here is, look. This is November 8th. I tweeted here that per my tweet yesterday, Aussie index is turning down and getting Aussie is gonna get weaker, and now yen index is also going to turn, and yen will get strong. Get ready to short yen pairs. Yen pairs, I'm saying all yen pairs, not one. All yen pairs, wherever the yen is involved in any pair. Euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen, this yen, that yen, whatever. Why I said it? Because of this Aussie dollar index, that this is what's happening, and from there I said it's going to make a turn to the downside, and yen is going to get strong. This is how powerful it is. So I'm going to show you what happened to this chart after November 8th. I made this chart on 8th of November, right? So let's go take a look. That after that, first of all, and this was the chart, by the way, I sent out, right? So what happened? Look, this is franc yen. This yellow line is August. Why I keep saying August, man? And November 8th. And after that, the first entry came, short entry. Didn't go much, it just started, but yes, it is going down now, right? Now, franc yen. The next chart, you can see this Aussie yen. I showed you. I even went short here, and it is, this line is November 8th, right? November 8th. After I tweeted the first entry, short entry, and this is my entry here, and we are nicely going to the downside. These were all long after, from October 26th, when I made the Aussie chart. And this one, look, CAD yen. This is the November 8th yellow line, and after that the price went up a little bit, and then short from there, the first short all the way down here. That's what I said. Yen pairs, all yen pairs will be going down. This is euro yen. You can see here, very nice 30-14 area. It went up. This is November 8th yellow line, and after that it went up. First short, boom, to the downside. That's what I said in my tweet. Get ready to short yen pairs, and you do it. This is November 9th. Here again, 8 November 8th, right? And after that you can see it went up a little bit. Short, yes, even this short, it never SL never hit. It went down, went up. But if you here, if you go down and then you come in a break even, then this move to the upside will take the SL out at break even. But then again you short here, then you have an entry here, you have an entry here, all the way to the downside. That's what happens when you pay attention to the indexes, individual indexes, and that's what I teach here in my webinars. That all the indexes, how you get these charts, and how you pay attention. And one index, if you catch the right direction in one index, you have so many pairs that index involved, that currency involved, right? And you literally have pick and choose situation. For example, here with yen, since yen will start getting strong, but at the same time pound start getting weaker, and look what happened. That's what you need to do. If you see that one currency is getting strong, you have to look for all the indexes. You got only 5 indexes basically. So if you look at which one is getting weaker against the strongest currency, and that pair is the one. So far, pound yen is the one that is dropping big time now, right? And we have news from Britain out there today, yesterday I guess, or today, that Brexit is in trouble again. So pound is going to get weaker again, and that will fuel to this fire to the downside. Yen just started getting strong. Okay, so if it continue this week and today when the market opens up, I'm going to watch, and if it is continuing, getting strong, all yen pair will be going down, and we have a long way to go down. Okay, so this is how powerful it is. And if you like what you saw, then just go on my website, subscribe, and get this chart, get ready, trade profitably, and trade very confidently and easy. I mean, this thing gives you confidence that if you already have a chart that's telling you that, okay, this is going to happen in all yen pairs and all your Aussie pairs, Aussie dollar. For example, I said that USDX is going to drop from all the way top, and it did. After the election, it went up a little bit, but still the top is holding. Okay, so when you know that the USD is going to drop, that means USD is going to get weaker. So that Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, they will all go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc will be going down with USD weakness. Okay, so you literally have 6-7 like choice basically, pick and choose kind of situation, and you just scan through all the charts and see that which one is going in your direction the best way and the strongest way, and as soon as you find an entry in that pair, you just take it. Simple as that. Okay, look, going up, beautiful entries. This one, going all the way down and coming up. That's the indicator of doing that. With this, red candle turning blue, that's the entry. Simple as that. Okay, so this is how it is, and this is it for now. I'm gonna leave you alone because today is Sunday morning, and we have a few more hours to enjoy the weekend. After that, the market will open, and then game begins again. Okay, so like I said, if you like, then go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of the group. Today at 4 p.m. I have a webinar to do, where I will be showing all the charts and go over through this yen and situation and all the yen pairs and Aussie pairs, euro, all everything, the whole market. I go through the whole market and then show to my subscribers then which currency is doing what, and what we're supposed to do in which pair for a couple of days. And then Wednesday I do webinar again, and guide them for the rest of the couple of days. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So this is how we do. And in the meantime, you learn all these support and resistance, where I get these numbers from, and also harmonic patterns, and Elliott wave and this and that. You get to learn everything. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.